Hello and welcome to today where we're looking at a MyMemory Pro 128GB SDXC card, which has a transfer rate of 180 megabytes per second. Apparently this card also writes at 130 megabytes per second. So we're going to have a look at this card. We're going to open it up first. Then we're going to test out the speed via this adapter, which is a USB 3 card reader. And we should see how fast it actually writes and reads. But first we're going to open it up and have a look at the card inside. And see what the actual quality is. There have been people on the internet who are saying these cards are actually rebranded. But apparently they're made in, we'll see where this one's made, but apparently they're made in Korea, South Korea. So people have been saying they're integral cards, which they could be, but there's actually nothing written on them to say where these ones are made. So they could be made anywhere. Just hope they aren't Chinese, because the quality is going to be not very good if at all. So anyway, this is the Pro card, and these are also 7-day shop cards, and we should see what speeds they actually are like. So this one I'm going to test against this card. This one is a Class 10 U1 and this is a Class 10 U3. So we'll actually see how fast these cards are against each other. And it comes in a rather thin, with a rather thin SD case. Rather handy. So that's the MyMemory Pro card. And if you just hang around, I'll get some stats ready for this card and we'll see what it's like. Right, okay, I finished checking this SD card, and the final numbers are 79.4 megabytes per second. That's the write speed, and 85.8 megabytes read speed. And converting that would be 97.4 megabits, would make 635.2 megabits per second. I'm not sure if I'm getting this right or not. So to record 400 in a GH5 would, I'm not sure this would be fast enough. I need to check on that, so I'll be making another video to see if this card can actually work in a GH5. It works fine in a GH4. I'm not sure if I got these numbers right. So it's megabytes to megabits. So if I'm getting this right, it's 79.4 megabytes. So that converting would be to megabits would be 635.2. The actual card on the retail page, we've got a read speed, which is written on here, is 180 megabits transfer, and write speed is 130 megabits. So either this isn't reading and writing fast enough and it's actually too slow. I'm not sure how fast this actual product is, but it is using USB 3, so it should go up to at least at 100 on the counter. It didn't do that. And I'll show you the stats what actually recorded from this and this right here. If anybody would like to comment on if I've actually got this right and if these speeds are actually true or not, go ahead. And if you know any other software I could test this on, or any other product like this where I could actually get the right transfer speeds, let us know. I can't use a GH4 at the minute because it's USB 2, isn't it? And that wouldn't be fast enough to read or write connected to computer. I'm not sure about the GH5, what actual, if that's USB 3 or not. I'd be surprised if it is. It'd be USB 2 probably, I'm not sure. But if anybody can comment on this product here and tell me if this can actually read the speeds of what this card is supposed to be, let us know, and I can I can make another video trying a different product. But I'm surprised this card isn't reading or writing at what it's supposed to be. I've got other cards that could state less specifications than this and read at the same speeds and write the same speeds. So I'm surprised this card is nowhere near what it's supposed to be. So just leave some comments in the bottom, and if you'd like to check back later, I will have more videos and we can see if we can do this on any other software, if anybody can suggest anything better.